For this one, and let's say a woman tosses a ball straight upward at 9 meters per second, and we want to know how long is the ball in the air. Now, when I circle this, that gives me 9 meters per second is the what? What variable? And which one, initial or final? It's initial velocity. Okay. Final. If you can, yeah, you can try turning lights out and see if it. 9.8 meters per second squared. Now, I will tell you that at least one person, I'm seeing a lot of people who need to be writing stuff down. Okay. I do know that at a minimum of one person that I just happened to take a look at, if you would have done dimensional analysis, you would have caught your mistake. Okay? All right. Now, our easiest equation here is that acceleration is the change in velocity over time. Now, let's just make the acceleration positive in this case. And the only reason I'm doing that is because now my velocity can be positive because it's going in the same direction. Okay? So if I did acceleration being down negative, then I'd also have to deal with my velocity being negative. I'd still end up with the same number, but it would be a pain to have to deal with two negatives. Alright, so I'm solving for t. And that's the change in velocity over acceleration. And then, of course, if we just check to make sure we got it set up correctly, when we do this, our change in velocity is 9 meters per second. And we're dividing it by acceleration. Meters cancels. I'm left with seconds. And I've got time 9 divided by 9.8. What do y'all have? Okay. Now, remember that this back here table, quit playing. Now remember that it's when we take these SLOs, they've got a range. And it's also whenever you take a multiple choice, you're going to be close enough if you just use the number 10 for acceleration. Do y'all understand that? Alright, unless you're specifically working a problem where somebody wants to know that you understand significant figures, you would have been fine by using 10. So if you would have used the number 10 for acceleration, what number do you get? Yeah. Okay, so whenever you're looking at those SLOs, or whenever whoever's grading them, this is what they're going to have. They're going to have a range, and it'll say, to get a correct answer, you have to be within 0.9 to 0.92 or 3 seconds. Okay? And if you didn't fall in that range, you wouldn't get that point.
Is there any, I know this is kind of off topic, but is there any way we can turn up the arrow?
This is the deal. I always leave it at 76, and it goes up, down, and there's really, it'll be hot next period. And then it'll be cold and hot again. All right. Shh. Do you want me to go through this or not?
Yes.
Then
I got it.
I need you to stop talking, please. Show him your test, okay? You can go ahead and show him right now. Okay, now I'm going to work from